Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to get Kalshi referral code. The best and safest way to get a referral code is from a friend who already uses Kalshi. This is the official method, and it helps both you and your friend receive a reward. To do this, ask your friend to open the Kalshi app on their phone. Then they should go to the side menu and look for an option that says Invite Friends. Once they tap on it, they will see their personal referral code. They can share this code with you directly. After you receive the code, open the Kalshi app on your device. You can enter the referral code during the account creation process or after creating your account. If you are already inside the app, open the side menu and look for the option that says Enter Referral Code. Tap on it, and a field will appear. Now type the referral code carefully into the field. Make sure there are no mistakes. After that, confirm and submit the code. If the code is valid, it will be applied to your account, and both you and your friend may receive a reward depending on the current referral program. Thanks for watching.